Very good morning, students. Today we are back with our maths class, and the topic that we are going to do today is forming greatest and smallest numbers using the given digits. Okay? Now, you have to keep in mind that we cannot repeat any of the digits. We have to form greatest and smallest numbers using the given digits. Okay, digits will be given to you and you have to form greatest and you have to form smallest number using those digits, but you cannot repeat any of the digits. Clear? So if digits are not repeated, we have to keep two rules in our mind. Okay, rule 1 says to write the greatest number, we write the digits in descending order. So we have to write in descending order. Now here is an example here where you have 3, 4, 1, 7, 6, 5, 2, 8. Okay, there are how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 digits here. You have to use this 8 digits to form greatest number. Okay, to form greatest number we have to use this 8 digits. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put 8 space here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have made 8 space here. Okay. So what next I'm going to do? I'm going to write the place on the top. That is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Fine. I have written the places on the top. Now how I am going to solve it? Now I have to write the greatest number. I have to form the greatest number. So here 3. So now in the crores place, how I am going to write? 3 crore is bigger or 4 crore is bigger? 1 crore is bigger, 7 crore is bigger. 6 crore, 5 crore, 2 crore or 8 crore. Which one is bigger? 8 crores is bigger. So I'll write 8 crore here. So my first digit is 8 here. Now we cannot repeat any of the digits. Fine. So after writing 8, I'll just cancel it off because I cannot use 8 anymore. Clear? Now this is which place? This is 10 lakhs place. So 30 lakh is bigger, 40 lakh, 10 lakh, 70 lakh, 60 lakh, 50 lakh, 20 lakh. So which one is bigger? Of course 70 lakh is bigger. So I'll write 7 here. So after writing 7, I'll cancel it off so that I will not repeat it again. Next, lakhs position, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 1 lakh, 6 lakh, 5 lakh, 2 lakh. So which one is greater here? Out of this, 6 lakh is greater. So I write 6 here. I'll just cut it off. Now 10,000's place, 30,000, 40,000, 10,000, 50,000, 20,000. Which one is greater? Of course 50,000 is greater. So I'll cancel it off 5. Now 1000 space, 3,000, 4,000, 1,000, 2,000. Which one is greater? 4,000 is greater. So I'll write 4 here and I'll cancel 4 from here. Now 100 space, 300, 100 and 200. Which one is greater? 300 is greater. So I'll write 3 here. I'll cancel it off. Now 10's place, 10 is greater or 20 is greater? Of course 20. So I'll write 2 here. Cancel 2 and 1 is left. So I'll write 1 here. So My greatest number is 8765432 1. So I have arranged it in descending order. Okay, I have arranged it in descending order, and my greatest number I have found. Let's go to the next example, that is example 2. Clear? Here I have 2049581, and I have to arrange these numbers in greatest number. So how many digits are there? I have to count it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here also I have 8 digits. So I have to arrange them in greatest number. So remember, when you are arranging it in greatest number, the number should also be 8 digits. Okay, you cannot write lesser than that. So again, what I am going to do, I am going to put 8 gaps here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 gaps I have done. Now what I am going to do next, I am going to write the places on the top. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Clear? So let's solve it. So which is the greatest digit here? 2 crore. 0 crore meaning it makes no sense. Okay. So 4 crore, 9 crore, 5 crore, 8 crore, 7 crore, 1 crore. So which one is the biggest number here? That is 9 crore. So I'll write 9 here, and I'll cancel it off from here. Next, 10 lakh. Okay. So 20 lakh, 40 lakh, 50 lakh, 80 lakh, 70 lakh, 10 lakh. Which one is greater? 80 lakh is greater. So I'll write 8 here, and I'll cancel it from here. Next, lakhs position. 2 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 7 lakh, 1 lakh. Which one is greater? 7 lakh. So I'll cancel it off. I'll write 7 here. 10,000, 20,000, 40,000, 50,000, 10,000. Which one is greater? That is 50,000. So I'll cut it off and write 5 here. Then 2,000, 4,000, 1,000. Which one is greater? That is 4,000 is greater. Now I'll cancel it off. Now hundreds place. 200, 100. Which one is greater? 200. So I'll write 2 here. Then 0, 10. Which one is greater? Of course 10 is greater. And what is left? 0. Okay. So it is 9875421 So my greatest number is 9875421 It's very simple. You just have to arrange it in descending order. Now students, rule 2 says to write the smallest number, we write the digits in ascending order. Okay, we have to arrange it in ascending order if we don't have 0 as one of the digits. So you can simply arrange it in ascending order, according to ascending order. But if you have 0, that time you have to make little bit of changes. Clear? So here in example 1, where I have to arrange this number in smallest number, you have to arrange it in smallest number following ascending order. Okay. Now you check here. Is there any 0 here? No. There is no 0. So it's very simple. You just have to follow ascending order. Now count how many numbers are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 digits. So this 7 digits you have to arrange it in smallest number. Okay. Now I'll put 7 gaps here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? I'll put places on the top. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Done? Since it is smallest number, so you have to keep in mind it is smallest number. Okay. So I'll start with 10 lakhs please. So 70 lakh, 50 lakh, 40 lakh, 60 lakh. That is 10 lakh, 20 lakh and 80 lakh. Which one is smaller? Of course 10 lakh is smaller. So I'll write here 1. Then in lakhs position, 7 lakh, 5 lakh, 4 lakh, 6 lakh. I'll just cancel 1 so that I don't repeat it again. 2 lakh and 8 lakh. So which one is smaller? That is 2 lakh is smaller. So I'll cancel it and write 2 here. Now this is 10,000, 70,000, 50,000, 40,000, 60,000, 80,000. Which one is smaller? That is 40,000 is smaller. So I'll write 4 here and I'll cancel 4 from here. Now thousands, 7,000, 5,000, 6,000 and 8,000. Which one is smaller? That is 5,000 is smaller. Next, hundreds position, 700, 600 and 800. Which one is smaller? 600 is smaller. I'll write 6. Next, tens position, 7 tens, that is 70 or 80. Which one is smaller? 70 is smaller. I'll write 7 here. And the last number, 8 ones, comes here. So what is my smallest number here? My smallest number is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just count it once more. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 digits. So this is your smallest number. Now we'll move on to the second example. So let's take example 2 where we have 6 digits that we have to arrange it into smallest number. Okay, following ascending order. Now, before doing this, can you see here 0 is here? Okay, so what my rule 2 says, to write the smallest number, we write the digits in ascending order. If we don't have 0, but if we have 0, that time we have to make some changes. Now what changes you have to make, that is very important here. You have to keep it in your mind. Now there are 6 digits, so I'll put 6 gaps here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? I'll put the places on the top. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Done? I have put the places here. Now I have to write the smallest number. Now lakhs position, 5 lakh, 3 lakh, 9 lakh, 0 lakh, meaning 0, 1 lakh and 4 lakh. So which one is smaller? I know many of you must be thinking I'll write 0 here, isn't it? Because 0 is smaller here. 5, 3, 9, 0, 1, 4. Out of this 6 number, 0 is small. So I'll write 0 in lakhs place, but I will not do that because that is wrong. I cannot write that. Okay, if I write 0 here and I'll write the rest of the numbers, what will happen? If I write 0 here, supposingly if I write 0 in lakhs position and then arrange all the numbers, supposingly 1, 3, 4, 5 and 9, then how many digits are there? Finally, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. But I have 6 digits here. Isn't it? I have 6 digits here. I cannot make it 5 digits. So this method is wrong. You cannot use this method. Okay, this is wrong. So what I'm going to do? Leaving 0, which one is my smallest here? 5 lakh, 3 lakh, 9 lakh, 1 lakh or 4 lakh? Of course 1 lakh. So I'll cancel it and write here 1 in lakhs please. Okay. So it is my 1 lakh here. So I'll cancel it off. Now next, here 10,000's place, what I'm going to write? I'm going to put 0 here. Okay, I'm going to put 0 here. Next thousands place, what I'm going to put? So I'll cancel 0. I have written it here. So next is 3,000, 5,000, 3,000, 9,000 and 4,000. Which one is smaller? 3,000 is smaller. I'll cancel it off. Then hundreds place, 500, 900 and 400. Which one is smaller? 400 is smaller. So I'll write 4. Then 5 tens, that is 50 or 90. Which one is smaller? 50 is smaller. I'll write 5 here. And 9 ones. Done. Clear? So my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits I have arranged it in smallest number. Now you might have one question. Why I have written 0 in 10,000's place? Isn't it? Why I have written 0 here? Why not in thousands place, 100 place, tens place, ones place? Why not? I could have written it in this way also. That is 1, 3, 0, 4, 5, 9. I could have written it 1, 3, 4, 0, 5, 9. I could have written it 1, 3, 4, 5, 0, 9 or 1, 3, 4, 5, 9, 0. Why not 0 in thousands place, hundreds place, tens place or ones place? Why I have not written it here? Why I have chosen it to write in 10,000's place? This is very important. Now listen students. Now you can read it. Now read it. It is 1,34,590, 590, 1,34,509, 1,34,059, 1,30,459, 1,03,459. So which one is smaller? Out of this 5, which one is smaller? That is 1,03,459 is smaller. Then 1,30,000, 1,34,509, 1,34,509, 1,34,590. So out of this 5, this is smaller. That's the reason why we have to write 0 just after the first smallest digit. Understood why we write it in the second position? Clear? So you have to keep in mind the placement of 0 when you have 0 in the digits and you are arranging it in smallest number. So you have to remember, you have to write first the smallest number, then write 0 and then continue with the rest of the smallest number according to the ascending order. So this changes you have to keep in mind, otherwise your sums might go wrong. Okay, clear? Okay students, you have to keep this in mind. So now students, whenever you are going to solve smallest and greatest numbers, okay, you have to make columns like this. Okay, that shows your work neat and at the same time you can present your work correctly. Okay, so we have example here. We have 2 questions here where we have to arrange it in smallest numbers and greatest number. So let's take question A first. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 digits here. I have to arrange it in smallest number and greatest number. So I'll begin with smallest number. So I'll put here 7 gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have put 7 gaps here. So now, which number is smaller here? 7, 2, 0, 8, 5, 9, 3. Which one is smaller? That is 2 is smaller. So I'll cancel off 2 and write 2 here. Now next, here I have 0. So as I have shown in rule 2, you have to remember this. When you have 0, you have to write 0 just after the first small digit. Okay, you have to write 0 after the small digit. Now rest you will continue according to the ascending order. Now I have written 0, so I'll cancel it off. Now next small digit is 3. I'll write 3 and I'll cancel it off. The next small digit is 7, 8, 5, 9. So 5 is small, I'll write 5 here. Then 7, 8, 9. So 7 is smaller, I'll write 7 here. Then 8 and 9 is left. So 8 is smaller. I'll write 8 here and I'll write 9 here. So my smallest digit is over. Now I'll move on to the greatest digit. Again I'll put gap, that is 7 gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now all the time I'm putting gaps. Why I'm putting it? Why I'm underlining here? Why I'm putting 7 gaps here? Because so that you can remember that you have to put 7 digits here. So let's start with the greatest number. So I'll start with 9 first. 9 is the bigger one. Then comes 8. Just the opposite way I have to carry on. Okay. 7, then 5, then 3, then 2, then 0. Okay. Please don't copy 0 and 2. Okay. Don't make that mistake. You have to write 2 and then 0. Now the next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 7 digits. Have to arrange it in smallest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So the first one is, the smallest one is 1, 5, 8, 2, 0, 6, 3. Which one is smaller? 0? No. 1. I'll write 1 here. The next, what I'm going to do, rule number 2 says I will write 0 after the smallest digit. Then I'll carry on according to ascending order. Then comes 2 here. So I have written 1, I have written 0. Then I'll write next 2. Then 3 is small. I'll write 3. Okay. Then I'll write next 5, 8 and 6 left. So 5 is smaller. I'll write 5. Okay. Then I'll write next 6 or 8. 6. So I'll write 6 and then I'll write 8. Done. Okay. Now comes my greatest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my greatest number is 8 here. 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, then 0 last. Clear? So 0 will be at last. Why I am not putting 0 in between? Because that will make my number not as greatest as the answer that I have got now. Okay. So 0 if I put at last, it will make the numbers greatest. Clear? I hope I have explained you the concept, how to form smallest numbers and greatest number using the given digits. Okay. You have to keep in mind the 2 rules and you can solve the sums easily. Thank you.